In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert scrolling or moving text into your Weebly website. Whether you're looking to make an important announcement or just want to add a little flair to your site, adding a scrolling text effect is a fun and engaging way to capture your visitors' attention. So, let's jump right in. First, make sure you have your Weebly site editor open and ready. Once you're there, you'll notice a bar at the top of the screen with several options. Click on the one that says Build. This is where the magic happens. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a panel filled with different elements that you can incorporate into your site. All these elements are ready for a simple drag and drop action, making it easy to customize your web page without any hassle. Now, in that list, look for the element labeled Embed Code. This is your key to adding custom HTML to your Weebly site, and it's what we'll use to make your text scroll across the screen. Once you've found it, carefully drag the embed code element from the left panel and drop it onto the area of your page where you want the scrolling text to appear. You can place it in the header, the body, or anywhere else where you feel it would stand out and grab your audience's attention. After dropping the element in place, click on it to open up the code entry area. You'll see a prompt to enter your HTML code here. This is where you're going to add the code that makes your text scroll. Now, there are two ways you can get this code. If you're comfortable with a bit of coding, you can manually type out the marquee HTML code yourself. This gives you complete control over the speed, direction, and behavior of your scrolling text. But if you're not too keen on writing code from scratch, or if you'd like to experiment with different customization options first, you can use online HTML marquee editor sites. These sites offer an intuitive interface where you can easily customize the text, speed, direction, and more, and then simply copy the generated code. Whichever route you choose, once you've got your code ready, just paste it into the code box you opened earlier in the Weebly editor. After pasting the code, take a moment to preview your site and see the moving text come to life. It's always a good idea to make sure everything looks the way you want before rolling out these changes to your live sites. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks and a small piece of code, you've added some dynamic, eye-catching movement to your website. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.